Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel here at Your Path for Adult Learners, where we provide 24/7 online GED and HiSET preparation courses for adults that are seeking to earn their high school credential. To learn more about our program, you can visit our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com. So on today's Focus on the Test mini lesson, I will be reviewing a question that will resemble what you'll see on your actual test. So let us get started. Here's what a test item may look like. Which item best describes the stigma? And here you have your 5 options. You have option number 1, modified leaves, 2, male reproductive cells, 3, male pollen producing organ, 4, small egg containing the reproductive cells, and 5, female organ that receives pollen grains during pollination. So when we look at option number 1, we have modified leaves. Here you can use both the diagram as well as the chart. And so when we look at the chart, we have modified leaves that surrounds the reproductive organs and attract pollinators are your petals. And they are located around the flower. So we know that in terms of answering our question, option number 1 will not apply. And so we can eliminate option number 1. When we look at option number 2, we have male reproductive cells. And so when we look here at the chart, we can see that our male reproductive cells are our pollen grains. So in terms of answering our question, option number 2 can also be eliminated because it does not apply. So here we can look at option number 3, male pollen producing organ. And when we look here at the male part of the flower, which is highlighted in blue, okay, we can see that our anther is responsible for producing the pollen, okay, and it is located in the stamen, which is the male part of the flower. And so we can eliminate option number 3 because it does not apply. So now we can look at option number 4, small egg containing the reproductive cells. So when we look here at the chart in the pink section of the chart, which is the female part of the flower, we see that the oval is the small egg containing the reproductive cells. So your ovals contain your cells that develop into seeds. And so if you look here at the diagram, you see that it's located in this area here. Okay, right here. So now in terms of option number 4, we can actually eliminate option number 4 because it does not apply in terms of answering our question. So having eliminated options 1 through 4, we know that option number 5 is the correct choice in terms of answering our question, which reads, which item best describes the stigma? We now know that the stigma is the female organ that receives pollen grains during pollination. So this section is actually located in the center of the flower. So if you look here, this is the stigma, and it's located here in the center of the flower. And it is where the pollen actually lands. So you want to make sure that you are familiar with the various parts of the flower because you will encounter questions that will test your knowledge on the various parts of the flower in the science section of your exam. So once again, in terms of our question, which item best describes the stigma, we know that option number 5 is the correct choice, having eliminated options 1 through 4. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and watch out for more videos to come your way. Remember, you can learn more about our 24/7 online GED and HiSET preparation courses by visiting our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com.